What's up, guys? It's your boy Boa, back with Hong Kong Trip Part 3. In this video, we will be taking a look at the Disneyland Hotel Explorers Lodge. We will be doing a complete room tour of the hotel room and also showing the breakfast buffet at the Dragon Wind restaurant. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Wow, look at that over there, Elsa. What's up, guys? We are finally here at Hong Kong Disneyland.
Disneyland!
Yeah.
Yay.
And so we staying in the hotel, the Disney Hotel, which is called Disney Explorers Lodge. And this hotel is one of the 3 hotels that you can stay in Hong Kong Disneyland. The special thing about this one is that it has the jungle and safari theme. And you can see right here, everything is brown and, just jungle. The building area we are staying in is called Africa. So you look.
Daddy,
Yes.
Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse.
Oh yeah, you know that, right? Look at that. Are you happy?
Goofy and Donald Daisy.
Goofy, Donald, Daisy. Yeah, that's right. Do you like it here?
Yeah.
Okay, where's the refrigerator? Can you find for Daddy the refrigerator?
It's here.
It's here? Okay, can you open it? Show Daddy where's the refrigerator. Oh, okay.
Look, give me the picture.
Yeah, what they have here?
Chips, the water bottle, and then the chips too. And the Oreo too, and soda too.
You guys can see right here, 128 for this whole basket of snacks and drinks. It's pretty good. It's not bad at all, right? It's like, what is that? $10? So this whole basket right here is about $15 for this basket. Not that bad. We were pretty lucky to be able to get this room right here with an ocean view. Well, is that an ocean? Yeah, right? With a water view. And then you can see all the grass around here. That adds for the the safari theme, jungle theme.
Daddy,
Yes.
check it out. Look, Daddy, check it out.
Oh, okay. So what we have here? What is this, Elsa?
It's
What is this?
0000000.
Okay, this is a safe. And then we have some Nespresso right here. Wow.
It's water, Daddy.
It's a water machine. Yeah, it's a. So it seems to me like this is a water filter. You put the water in the back here and it gives you the water, whatever you want. I guess this right here, 45C, 85C, 95C, yeah, that would be hot water, right? 95C. So yeah.
Can I try it?
Okay, you stand here and drink, okay? Don't drop it on the floor over there, you're gonna break it. Okay, over here you have a hair dryer.
How? Check it out, Daddy.
This one thing that I thought they would have over here. I thought they was gonna have a tub, a bathtub, but actually it's just a shower. Yeah, it's just a regular toilet. Yeah. This is a nice toilet, nice shower area. You have shampoo, conditioner, body wash. And then you have this kit right here. This kit right here has a, they have toothbrush, shaver, hair cap, just, stuff. And then the box here is also, a souvenir box you can bring it home. If you're gonna come here, you're gonna bring all your own, you have to bring all your own stuff too, right? That little box there is not going to take care of you. So, how's the bed? Is it nice?
It's very bouncy. Daddy, very bouncy.
Okay, so for the mattress quality, it's not a very comfy mattress. See, it's not memory foam. It's a spring. It's a spring mattress. So the good thing about staying in this hotel is that in the morning you can go to the Disney park, you can go to the rides, and then during midday in the afternoon, when you feel tired, you can come back here to the hotel, take a rest, and then at nighttime go back to the Disney park, and you can see the nighttime fireworks. That's exactly what we're doing here. Right now it's 11:30 a.m. It took us 30 minutes to get here from the hotel we were staying in Hong Kong. All right, that's pretty much it, guys. I'll show you more stuff later.
They have free shuttle bus, bring you to
So they have a breakfast buffet, and then they also, the same place, Dragonwind, they have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then they have a room cafe, which is, I believe it's your in the room dining. 7:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. and then all day lunch menu to dinner. I believe 22:30 is 9 o'clock. 9:30. And let's see, World of Color restaurant. So there's quite a few places you can go eat. And then there is the free shuttle going to the actual Disneyland resort. And this is the time and information. So this whole page right here is the time information. Over here is the map of the whole hotel, which is humongous. The next morning for breakfast, we went down to the Dragonwind restaurant. There was not much Disney themes, but at least there was Donald Duck there, and you could go take pictures with him. That's good enough to make the kid happy. I never have high expectations of Disney food, but the food quality at this breakfast buffet was pretty good. I highly enjoyed the experience and would recommend for all to try it out. For food choices, there was mostly basic Asian food, but there was also some simple Western breakfast food as well.
soy sauce from the chef.
Ah. Hungry. Right now it's 8:30 a.m. in the morning, and we went down to eat in the breakfast buffet. And I gotta tell you guys, the breakfast buffet is pretty damn good. If you're staying in the Disney Hong Kong hotels, you really want to go eat in the buffet. Keep that in mind. Right now, we eat it in the breakfast buffet. I don't know exactly how it tastes like at nighttime or the afternoon, but for the breakfast buffet, they have like so many things you can eat. They have a English breakfast, and they also have a Asian breakfast. They got coffee, they got soybean milk, they got orange juice. And then actually the coffee here is it's not bad. It's pretty good coffee. I mean, I have no problem drinking the coffee. It's very strong taste. Last time the coffee we drank on a Disney cruise, oh my god, that coffee was just so bad. We were eating for about like 30 minutes already, and Donald he came back out again. So I think the timing for pictures with Donald is about like 30 minutes. If you came to eat breakfast and you didn't see him, just sit down and eat a little bit, and then eventually he's gonna come back out. What's that?
苹果，苹果。
No, apple.
So that's all for Hong Kong trip part 3. For the next video, part 4, I will be showing you guys the special places of Disney Hong Kong, such as the world of Frozen and Tony Stark Iron Man Expo, and also the rest of Disneyland Hong Kong. As always, thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. See you in the next episode. Have a nice day.